What is the nature of China's relationship with Cuba? What is the nature of China's relationship with Cuba? This connection has a rich history that goes back to the mid-19th century. During that time, Chinese workers arrived in Cuba to work in the sugar industry. This marked the beginning of a bond that would grow over the years. However, it wasn't until 1960 that Cuba officially recognized the People's Republic of China. This recognition came after Fidel Castro's revolution, driven by shared anti-imperialist sentiments and a desire to challenge the influence of the United States. Culturally, both countries have a history of revolutionary movements and a mutual longing for independence. While Cuba has been more aligned with the Soviet Union, both nations share socialist ideologies. Over the years, their relationship has strengthened, especially after the Soviet Union's collapse. In recent decades, China has become Cuba's second-largest trading partner. The two countries have engaged in significant investments in infrastructure and technology. This partnership is also marked by mutual support on international issues. They often oppose foreign interference and advocate for reform within the United Nations. The cooperation between China and Cuba goes beyond just economics and politics. Cultural exchanges and diplomatic visits have played a big role in solidifying their bond. This relationship can be seen as a strategic partnership that supports regional stability and independence. It shows how countries with similar historical experiences and ideological beliefs can work together to achieve common goals, even when they are far apart. Practically speaking, the relationship has led to various development projects in Cuba. For instance, China has been involved in upgrading Cuba's rail network and other infrastructure initiatives. These projects not only boost Cuba's economic capabilities but also serve as a model for other Latin American countries looking to diversify their international partnerships. Overall, the relationship between China and Cuba is built on mutual respect and shared historical experiences. Their strategic cooperation reflects a broader trend of increased engagement between Latin America and Asia. This partnership highlights the importance of international relations in shaping regional policies and promoting economic growth within Latin America.